I have some Happy Mail here from Let's Get Plans. Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here to do the weekly setup in my work planner, which is a DIY disc-bound half-letter or junior size planner. I'm using tool, disc, and cover. The pencil pouch is from Walmart. This is what it, well, let me show you the outside. So this is what it's looking like these days. And I like it a lot. Again, tool. I think these frosted dividers are tool as well. I kind of switch between tool and arc. Whichever disc-bound system has what I want is what I use. I'm not like loyal to any one specific disc-bound system. But anyway, this is my previous week in my work planner, and I did use it. So we're moving on to the next week, which is the 9th through the 15th of May 2022. I never give the dates, so I need to start doing that. Okay, so for this spread, I have no idea what I'm doing. I have some Happy Mail here from Let's Get Plans, so I'm going to see if there's something in here that we can use, and I'm almost 100% sure that there is. Ooh, yes. Okay, so these are some of the May releases, and they are already available in the Let's Get Planned Etsy shop, so you can check them out there. So this is Les, Lisa, Sharon, Justine on the clear, Blissfully Tiff, Blissful Florals. Ooh, happy Mother's Day. Wow, I wish I'd have had this last week. Okay, happy Mother's Day. Y'all know I love me some sunflowers, so I'm already thinking, should I just use that? Okay. Anyway, Passion, Destiny, and Truth. Love that. Love that blush pink. In Control of My Destiny. Living My Best Life. Queen in Florals. Queen in Header and Deco. Ooh. I might have to. Oh, Queen in Boxes. Picking to Live a Life of Peace and Harmony. Oh, Queen Vibes. Thriving, Queening. Am I showing y'all the stickers? Because I've already just like zoned out into loving these. Queen Vibes Florals. I got 2 sheets of florals. Ooh. Excuse me while I feel myself. Ooh. And I'm feeling good. I'm so thinking Juneteenth. Yes, Juneteenth. Kit here. Living in My Purpose free-ishly. Okay. Some boxes. Oh yes, this Juneteenth kit is everything. Okay, and then these are is this a dashboard? Yes, that is so pretty. Look at it. Oh wow. Okay. So this is the Juneteenth dashboard. What can I do with these? Look at them. In Control of My Destiny. That is nice. So different. Not like everybody else. Love it. Okay. So I have to figure out how I'm going to use these. I can use them in my everyday carry maybe. Okay. So that's the stickers. What am I using? I got to save Juneteenth. Decisions. Should I use the Mother's Day even though Mother's Day has passed? I think I'm going to use Blissfully Tiff for now. That's what I think I'm going to do. Okay. Those are nice. So we got Blissfully Tiff, Blissful Florals, So we'll go with this pale yellow with the gold bows. I'm back with the spring washi again. Let's do it again. So yellow and pink paisley, spring paisley, pastel washi from Simply Gilded, and then the yellow bows. That's what we're going for. So I'm going to use the yellow bows at the, should I use them here? I'm going to use the yellow bows inside. I'm excited about these stickers. It's nice to get something different and new. Go check out Let's Get Planned. The link is in the description box below. I'll also try to link to the YouTube channel so you can check them out there as well. So this is like a different color yellow, but I think it's going to be okay. That is it for the washi. Hopefully I was in frame for some of that. I have a tendency to work on the edge of my desk. I also have my label stickers from one of my kits that will work for this. So let's use those along with these. Let's see if there's anything here that I can use. I might use something from that and that and this and this. So these are all the stickers that I have not punched and put in my sticker storage yet because reasons that I don't understand. So I can use these pink and yellow boxes on this spread. Let's see. So I'm going to try and be more strategic with my sticker placement this week. I need to place something every day for what YouTube video I'm posting, and then notes as it relates to that. So let's use these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh. Let's use these, and I'll use a bigger one on one day. And I'm not going to line them up exactly the same. Should I run some washi across the middle to divide the day up? Because that does matter and work for me. Let's see, do I have any little pink washi that can work for that? Okay, so maybe I can use some of this to run across, but I'm gonna wait. No, let's find the center. So this is the center. Let's do that. So this is like a peachy color. I hope it doesn't clash. Oh, it's a multicolor, I think. I don't know. I'm just going to use it. I don't know what it is. Yeah, it is a multicolor. Okay. So that works. Now, let's go ahead and put these down. I'm actually going to use this one on Sunday. Let's put it here. And then the rest of them can be the same. That's working out great. Again, this is part of the 6-page kits that are available to patron elites. I do have 3 levels of patrons. If you are interested in joining us, come check us out. Let's put this where I had it before. So yeah, instead of just plopping down stickers, I'm trying to be a little more strategic about this. But then I don't want to get stuck in that trap of doing the same spread every week either, because I do like how the deco works on these spreads. I'm more of a deco planner, I think, versus a kit planner. And when you start lining things up like this, you start getting into that kit territory, I think. But it's a whole whatever. So that's for my YouTube videos on the days that I do it. And if I don't do it, I'll just put a day off sticker in there. Then what other work stuff? I do need to do a section for Journal Life's Journey. How am I going to manage that? Should I run another piece of washi? Let's see. I used this last week, didn't I? Let's do this. So that I can do Patreon stuff down here. I mean, my Journal Life's Journey stuff down here. And I need to print myself some Journal Life's Journey stickers. So I think that gives me some structure. And now I can just have fun with the stickers. Okay. I don't know what it is about these teacups and desserts, but I think they're so cute. This is from CHELA Creates, by the way, if I didn't mention that. It's a printable from CHELA Creates. I think I'm going to use her. I always put the doll over here. Let's do something a little different and put her here. And let's move her down a little bit so that I still have my writing space around her. So there she goes. This is a whole spray of flowers. So I don't even have to cut this. Well, I do and I don't. I wouldn't. So I'm going to cut this in half. Kind of in half. And I'm going to use a piece on either side up at the top. Let's try to get some of that stickiness out. This is going to be so pretty. So there. And there. Pretty. So I think that's going to be it for the flowers. I really want to use the teacup, but it doesn't really go. Maybe we can use one more flower. Because I don't tend to do a whole lot on Sundays if I can help it. So we can put the teacup there. I'll use one of these. I don't know what it is. Anybody know what that is? Let me know in the comments. But I'm going to use it. This is some type of dessert. I know that much. And I'm going to use it here. Or here. I don't want to cover up the pink flower. Oop. Well, I guess I'm going to have to because I just ripped that sticker. And I'll put it here. I think I've hemmed and hawed over that enough. Do I want to use a butterfly? It's not pinky enough. So I guess I want, and I didn't use any of these either. But I think I can use a yellow. Ooh, a yellow. I really don't like the way the line shows through. I wonder if I put a little white out on there, will that make a difference? So that's like a totally minor thing. Yeah, the white out does help. Let's try it. If I can do it on the others, I will. I like that. Ooh. It's pretty. Okay, so that's it. Let's pop this back into the planner. Okay, so that is it. I'm very happy with how this spread turned out. Thanks to inspiration from Let's Get Planned, the doll stickers from Let's Get Planned, as well as all the florals. The teacup and the dessert are from a digital from CHELA Creates. The washi tape is simply gilded, and the boxes are available to, well, the darker pink boxes are available to Scrapcraftastic Patron Elite. The labels are part of a digital kit that are available in the Journal Life's Journey Etsy shop. And I think that's everything. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.